नमस्कार मित्रांनो. The second fundamental AC circuit is AC through pure L. Here I am applying V is equal to Vm sin omega t to the pure inductor. Okay, so current starts flowing is I. Find now. Let us find relation between voltage and current in the pure inductive circuit. Now we know that voltage in inductor is given as V is equal to L di by dt, because this voltage is proportional to rate of change of current through the inductor, and therefore this di will be what? V by L dt. But what is V over here? It is Vm sin omega t dt. If I integrate this both side, what I will get? Current is equal to Vm is constant, sin omega t चा integration असतं minus cos omega t divided by omega, this L is there, okay, dt, and therefore I will get Vm by omega L. Now we will not keep cos omega t as it is, as our standard form contains sine. That's why I will take this minus sign inside and I will write sine omega t minus pi by 2. This relation, trigonometric relation, we know that whenever there is a minus cos omega t, we can write sine omega t minus pi by 2. Whenever this sine omega t minus pi by 2 is 1, we will get the maximum value of Vm by omega L, and that is nothing but Im, Vm by omega L. Okay, this omega L is called as inductive reactance. It is nothing but inductive reactance. Okay, or it is denoted by XL. Or you can write XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Omega can be replaced by 2 pi FL. This is nothing but opposition offered by the inductive circuit to the flow of current, and it is similar to Z, that is impedance of that pure inductive circuit. Okay, now if here, if we compare current equation and voltage equation, you will get the difference of pi by 2 is coming there. So you can write I is equal to Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. So V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. This minus pi by 2 indicates that current is lagging behind voltage by angle 90 degree or pi by 2 radians. म्हणजेच काय, when voltage reaches to maximum, current starts from 0. Okay, म्हणजेच current आणि voltage मध्ये 90 degree चा difference आहे. If I show this graphically by drawing the waveform, what I will draw here, my voltage is a reference. Okay, so V will go like this. This is my V. Okay, current will go, or current will start at 90 degree, so current will go like this. That is, it is lagging by 90 degree or pi by 2 radians. Okay, I can continue this current up to this point. Okay, so current is 90 degree behind the voltage or lagging the voltage. That's why this is called the lagging circuit. Okay, and this angle of lagging is what? Pi by 2. That is, phi is equal to pi by 2, or it is 90 degree, and therefore power factor for pure inductive circuit is 0. Okay, so 0 power factor circuit. Now we will find the power consumed by this inductive circuit. How we can find? P is equal to Vi cos phi, but cos phi is what? Vi into 0. and that's why power consumed by pure inductive circuit is 0. That means inductor will not consume any power like resistance. Okay, so what happens, that we'll see here by using the graph or this waveform. See, for this part, that is from this point to this point, current is negative, voltage is positive, and therefore your power waveform will be negative. For this part, this quarter, both are positive, so power waveform will be positive. Here current is positive, voltage negative, so power waveform is negative. Both are negative, power will be positive. That means for quarter cycle, first quarter power is taken by inductor, for the next quarter power is given return to the supply. Means power is remaining fluctuate from inductor to supply, from supply to inductor. Okay, and therefore average power taken by this L or pure inductor is always 0. So it is only energy storing device or power storing. It stores the power for some time and return back to the supply in the next quarter. Okay, this we can prove mathematically also by finding the instantaneous power as V into I. So Vm sin omega t and Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. If I want to find P average, you can take 0 to 2 pi what V into I, or you can directly write small p into d omega t, and the base will be 2 pi. By putting this value in this and solving mathematically, you will get P average as 0. Okay, so for pure inductor, power consumed will be 0. If you want to draw the phasor diagram for this, the voltage will be at reference, that is on x axis, and you can show the current at 90 degree lagging. Okay, that means voltage will come first and then current will come after 90 degree. So that's all for pure inductive circuit or pure inductor circuit. Thank you.